Hi. Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will going to solve a nice algebraic equation. Root 2 to the power of root x minus root 2 to the power of root y is equals to 60. Here we are going to find out the value of x and y. So let's start our solution. In the first step, I will going to use a radical property, that is n root a is equals to a to the power of 1 over n. Here this root always equals to 1 over 2. So this given equation turns to 2, 1 over 2 whole to the power of root x minus 2, 1 over 2 whole to the power of root y is equals to 60. Now I'm going to use the exponential rule, that is a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m times n. Now the powers are going to be multiplied. So this equation turns to 2 to the power of root x over 2. Now here 2 to the power of root y over 2 is equals to 60. Now here I will going to let root x over 2 is equals to m, and this root y over 2 is equals to n. So this equation turns to 2 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of n is equals to 60. Now from here, to get a positive value of 60, our 2 to the power of m should be greater than 2 to the power of n. And here we have the same basis, so we can say that m should be equals to n, where m and n belongs to the natural number. So from here, we conclude that we can suppose m should be equal to n plus something, that I'm going to take the k constant, because the difference here will be the difference as constants, which is k. So it will be m is equals to n plus k. From here, I will going to plug in this m value. So this equation turns to 2 to the power of n plus k minus 2 to the power of n is equals to 60. In the next step, I will going to use the exponential rule. A to the power of m plus n can be equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So this can be written as 2 to the power of n times 2 to the power of k minus 2 to the power of n is equals to 60. Now here we have 2 and n is common. So I will going to take 2 to the power of n. Here 2 to the power of k minus 1 is remaining, is equals to 60. In the next step, I will going to expand this 60. So 2 to the power of n bracket 2 to the power of k minus 1 is equals to, here I will going to take out the LCM of 60. So 230 times, 215 times, and 15 times. So this I will going to write 2 to the power of 2 times 15. Now here I will going to compare odd with the odd one and even with the even one. So this is our even, this is even, but together it's odd. Again, this is even and this is odd. So I will going to compare the even with the even number. 2 to the power of n is equals to 2 to the power of 2. And this 2 to the power of k minus 1 is equals to 15. Here we have the same basis, so we can equate the power easily by using the exponential rule, a to the power of m is equals to a to the power of n. How m is equals to n. So this can be written as n is equals to 2. Next, I will going to solve this for making the subject of k. So 2 to the power of k is equals to 15, and this I will going to take to the right hand side. So this will turn to the positive 1. 2 to the power of k is equals to 16. And 16 I will going to write in the form of power. Try to take the base, that is 2. So 2 to the power of 4 give us 16. Now again we have the same basis. We can equate the power here. K is equals to 4. Now next I will going to recall m is equals to n plus k. So here the value of n we got, that is 2, and the value of k we get, that is 4. So here the value of m, that is 6. Now in the next step I will going to take the expression that we learned in the beginning, root x over 2 equal to m, root y over 2 equals to n. Next, I was going to plug in the m, and here plug in the n value. Root x over 2 is equals to 6. Root x. Here this 2 is dividing, so it will be going to multiply. This and this get cancelled. So the remaining expression I'll get, that is x is equals to 6 2 times give us 12. Aim is to find out the value of x. For that, I will going to take square both the side, where this square and this root get cancelled. X is equals to 12 2 times give us 144. So here I got the x value. Now our next aim is to find out the y value. So the n value we get, that is 2. Here again, root y is equals to this 2 is dividing, so it will going to be multiplied on both the side. This and this get cancelled. Here root y is remaining. For removing this root, I will going to take square both the side. So here I got the y value, that is 2 times give us 16. So the value of y we got, that is 16. Next, I will going to verify my answer. Root 2 to the power of root x minus root 2 to the power of root y is equals to 60. Now I'm going to plug in the x and y value. Root 2 here 144 minus root 2 root 16 is equals to 60. Next, I was going to remove this radical by using the radical property. So here 1 over 2 whole to the power of root 144 minus, here I'm going to remove the radical, 1 over 2 whole to the power of root 16 is equals to 60. Now here I will going to use the exponential rule and multiplying the powers. 2 to the power of the root of 144 we have, that is 12. 12 over 2. Here also I'm going to solve this root 16. 2 to the power of 4 over 2 is equals to 60. This I will going to simplify 2 6 times and this 2 2 times. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 6 minus 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 60. 2 to the power of 6 is equals to 64 minus 4 is equals to 60. Here 60 is remaining is equals to 60. So here left hand side is equals to the right hand side. So the value of x and y, we find out that is absolutely correct. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.